Khloé Kardashian is counting down the days to her baby's birth in Cleveland. The 33-year-old reality star is hunkered down at her and boyfriend Tristan Thompson's home there. One source says the mama-to-be is, quote, doing great and seems very happy, adding that the star's family will travel to Ohio once the baby arrives. The insider goes on to reveal that Khloé especially wants Chris there for the birth. Hey, we think she should be there too, mama knows best. And our soon-to-be mama Khloé, who previously revealed that she relocated in order to be with her Cleveland Cavaliers beau, is apparently a little nervous when it comes to the actual delivery. One insider shares that the Keeping Up star is, quote, a bit nervous, but mostly excited and is taking it easy in Cleveland, getting everything ready. She can't wait to meet her baby girl. And while Cleveland is something Khloé has officially decided on, it appears she won't be sharing the name of her daughter until she is born. One fan recently pointed out the buzz surrounding floral-inspired names on Twitter, but our girl Coco quickly shot that down, responding, Rose is so cute, but no, that's not on my list. Guess we'll have to wait and see.